Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the slide size on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Change the slide size on your WPS presentation mobile. So first of all, it actually, you will see the slide size like this. You just need to change this. You just do this option. So first of all, click on this icon on the bottom section, click this. Then you just need to scroll sidewise and you will see option called design. Click on the design. Now you just need to scroll down to the bottom section. Here you will see option called slide size. Click on this. So there is a two different slide size. One was a standard 4:3 ratio. The second was a wider screen, which is 16:9 ratio. Just click this, it automatically change. Not only one slide, it automatically change every slide. For an example, you just inserted a lot of slides and every slide will be changed to according to this. So you just want to click on the design and just change the slide size. That's it. This is how you just change the slide size on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful day.